Kay Derek.
Bago ko yung video. Ayaw ko mag-video ko.
Andito po si Jericho Rosales. Ayan po, dumating siya. Ayun, umupo na doon. Jericho. Andito po ako sa burol ni Pilita Corrales. Yan po si Jackie Lu Blanco. Si Daisy. Si Asinit. Yung ibang artista nasa labas. Ito ho yung kabuuan ng kanyang nicho. Yan ang kanyang yan ang kanyang ang daming bulaklak, panay roses po. Panay red na roses. Marami pa pong artista sa labas kumakain. Yan po sila. Yan si Jackie Lu Blanco. Ayan o, si Kiko, asawa ni Sharon. Ayan sila, ayan o, ayan po, ayan sila. Ayan.
Not sure, right?
Ayan po. Ayan o.
Nakalagay na doon ang mga San Pablo, Laguna.
Ay, Kiko, ba't mo kinain yung dahon? Nagtatawanan sila.
Dahon na mustasa yun.
Kasi
Pinifake news ako.
kasi ang akala, dahon ng saging kinain mo.
Hindi akala,
Para inaano nila yun.
It's
naging viral yun eh.
yes. Pero, yun. Sinasadya.
Ganun. Sabi, alam mo ang comment, ano ba naman yan si Senator? Kinain na pati yung dahon ng saging. Nila. Hindi naman. Mustasa pala yun.
Sa Kapampangan.
Para at least lalagay.
Oo.
Sa Kapampangan. Mustasa. Puro. Yan ang...
Lagay mo na para sa
Hindi ito.
Kababayan ko sa Laguna.
Parang santo siya.
Saan ka sa Romblon pupunta sa Jongan?
Sabihin mo sa ginagyan mo. Tapos please vote.
Ito po station.
Okay, next song, Loving Christian. Love his father. I can do it if you want. Let's open your Bibles to that one.
Sharon, ang batang-bata ka.
Go ahead.
And there are days when we can't understand
There's no other home that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me, walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. All my days, all my life. 'Cause you are my life. You're down upon my feet all the time. I'm Lord, I need you.
Sharon, goodbye, good night.
I'm very happy that you're on here. I'm also very happy that this next person I'm going to call, actually, he was here the first day, and he already sang to honor Mamita. He has a flight, but he's still here because he'd like to sing again for Mamita, and I'm very, very grateful. My mom loved this person so much, and I thank him because he loved my mom very much. The concert king, never mind, okay. But no, I just wanted to thank you, Mr. Martin there. I just wanted to thank you because of your love for Mamita, and Mamita loved you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much for
She's being so formal. The priest is not here yet. So they asked me to stall. So let me sing this song. For Asians, sing this song. Let's see if I can do this. The day you came along, my heart began to sing to you. Thanks to you. This